So here's the million-dollar question. What do you really want? Not what do you think you can get based off of your past experiences. What do you really want? How much money do you actually want to earn? What kind of lifestyle do you really want to live? Not how much money do you think that you can earn based off of what's happened the last 5 years, or what you were told, or what you think, but what do you really want? Do you want to earn an extra $1,000 a month? Do you want to have a beautiful home in the mountains? Do you want to be the top salesperson at your company? Do you want to be a successful YouTuber or a social media influencer? Do you want to be a successful online tutor or an entrepreneur or a photographer? Whatever it is that you truly desire financially, what I invite you to do is to practice mentally rehearsing it every night before you go to sleep, while your mind is shutting down, while you're lying there in bed, falling to sleep, mentally rehearsing exactly what it is that you want, feeling, seeing the prosperous life that you want. Turn on my subliminal audio sleep system, Sleep and Get Rich, and allow your mind to be reprogrammed for the life that you actually want to live. Here's what's crazy. They said that 2/3 of Americans are losing sleep over money. This is what's crazy about it. When your conscious mind shuts off, that's the time to reprogram your subconscious. But if you're worrying about money before bed, you are mentally rehearsing more financial limitations. You are further building more invisible bricks in your own financial prison. And this is why I created Sleep and Get Rich. So you can check that out. It's jakeducey.com/sleep, pinned to the comments and in the description right there down below. Now here's what I want you to do. Stick your index finger right into your left nostril. No, I'm just joking. What I want you to do is challenge yourself. Ask yourself, are these ideas real? Can I actually only make $15 an hour, $40,000 a year, $75,000? Can I actually only do that? And what you'll find is it's just an invisible prison. Now, I want you to share your success story, and I love to feature it, like the woman at the start of this video that attracted an extra $2,500. So let me know in the comments right there down below. If you love this video, comment down below, I love this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe, bell notification, all that fun stuff. And be sure to check out Sleep and Get Rich, my subliminal audio sleep system to reprogram your mind for wealth. It's pinned to the comments and in the description right there down below. Have a beautiful day, and thank you for watching.